Here's one of the first videos that actually made money for us.
I have done a 30-day TikTok challenge before, but today I wanted to do something different. Instead of doing a 1-month challenge, I'm just going to make 30 TikTok videos and just post them on a brand new page and see what happens. But I'm not going to use a regular TikTok page. I'm going to use an already monetized TikTok page, meaning from the first video that I post, I'm already going to get paid. But don't worry, I'm not going to gatekeep anything, and I'm going to show you how you can make this TikTok page yourself as well and pretty much start making money from your first post from any country. So if you watch this whole video, you're going to learn how to make a monetized page from scratch. You're gonna see me making the page myself and also choosing the niche, posting the videos, making the videos, and at the end of this video I'm also going to reveal the username of the page. So this might be a little bit longer video than usual, but grab your sandwiches, grab your cup of tea, and let's get into it. Alright, day one. First, we should get a monetized TikTok account. In the last challenge, we did the organic method, but it's going to take us too much time. So instead, we must get a monetized TikTok page so we don't waste any of our 30 posts. We're going to be taking advantage of the TikTok's 1-minute growth program to set up a CRP active account, aka already monetized account. Alright, so here's what we're going to need for this. Number one, an old Android phone. You can just get a cheap one from Facebook Marketplace or pawn shop, or just use one of your old Androids. Everybody has an old Android phone at home. Number two, you're gonna need a proxy from a liable country. Number three, you're gonna need a 10,000 subscriber YouTube account or 100,000 follower Instagram page to be able to apply monetization on your brand new TikTok account. And number four, you're gonna need a special invite link so you can actually do this whole process. For this challenge, we're gonna be using a UK account and a UK proxy because UK accounts don't require tax info. But you can also use a French account, a German account, or any other country that is liable for TikTok CRP. You can of course also use a US account, which is going to result in higher RPM, aka you're gonna make way more money when you post your videos on TikTok. But for US accounts, you're gonna need tax information, which you can of course get somewhere, buy somewhere, but in this challenge we're not going to do that. So the first thing we need is a UK proxy. This is what you should remember. A few months ago, everybody, including me, was saying that you need a SIM card to go ahead and reach this audience, which still works today. But if you're just going to use a SIM card, you are going to get disqualified for security issue from the Creator Rewards program, meaning that everybody who doesn't use a proxy, essentially, if you have a US TikTok account and you're using that US TikTok account from your regular IP from your own country, you are going to get kicked out of the program and not make any money. So you simply need a proxy, and once you have the proxy, you can make accounts, you can grow accounts. That's the building stone that you need. So we're gonna get a UK proxy, and if you want reliable proxies, you can get them from AIProfitMarketplace.com. This is our own shop, and I only trust these proxies because I know where they're coming from. I know they are clean residential proxies. They are not going to cause any problems for my account, and I won't get any surprises of me getting disqualified once I've already made some money on the account. So now we bought our proxy and we got our phone. Let's go ahead and connect the proxy on our phone. I'm going to show you guys how, and we can make our new TikTok account. We're going to be using the Rock app to connect the proxy, which everybody gets the Rock app who purchases from our website. It's our own exclusive app which you can use to connect the proxies, and it has no ads or any other bloatware.
Quick surveils from the future. So you're just gonna open the Rock app. Once you've bought the proxy, you'll get the download link. You log in with login information, then you put in the proxy details, connect to the proxy, and that's it. Now you can go to the internet and check what is your IP, and you're gonna see that you are in US, UK, or whichever country proxy you bought. In this case, we are in France because this is a French proxy. And it was really that simple. Just follow the instructions you get after purchasing, and if you need any help, you can message our staff for help.
All right, we're now in the UK. Let's make a new TikTok account and apply monetization on it. I'll be using a 10,000 subscriber YouTube account for this, and you will need this special link to apply monetization. So let me just show you the process of how it goes so you have an idea on how it works.
Now I'm going to show you how to apply monetization on your brand new TikTok account. And by the way, if you just don't want to do any of this and you want our team to pretty much take you by the hand and do this, you can just purchase the account on our website. But here we go. So first, obviously open the Rock app and connect to your proxy, and then check your IP on your browser to see if the proxy is connected properly. By the way, you should verify this every single time you're about to open TikTok or do anything TikTok related. Now once you confirmed, let's open up your TikTok account. And by the way, you you already should have made a brand new account with the proxy connected. In this case, it's a US account, but I'm not going to go through the steps of how to make a TikTok account. You should know it. So just make sure you're logged into this TikTok account, and this is the only TikTok account you are currently logged into to avoid any mistakes or confusion later. Now you simply need to go to the special link, and maybe it has changed from now on, but it should say something like join the program or scan the QR code to join the program. TikTok is going to want to verify your account. Here you're going to click on the button, and in this case you're going to click on verify with YouTube. Just click on there and select your 10,000 subscriber YouTube channel. And by the way, if you think that you can just buy followers and get this done, the method has been patched like 5 months ago. So you need real grown YouTube channels. And if you have purchased from our website this account, then you will have all the tools you need in this video. Now you select the channel, click allow, continue. Once that is done, voila, your application has been submitted. Now on US accounts, this review from TikTok might take even up to a week. On French accounts, German accounts, it could take 48 hours, couple of days, but pretty much the longest I've seen this application go for is like 2 weeks, but usually it's within a couple of days. And it was that simple. Now just wait from an answer from TikTok. And by the way, if you get instantly rejected or you encounter any issue during this process, most likely your YouTube account is suspected as a bot from TikTok, or your proxy is bad, or your location is leaking on your phone.
All right, we have now applied on monetization for our 0 follower account. Now we just need to choose a niche and get started on making these videos. All right, for the niche, we have multiple options. We could go with the basic Reddit stories, but I feel by now it's been almost a year that people have been posting these, and it's super saturated by now. So we're not going to do that. Of course, you can still go viral, but you have to be like super unique. We could also try the brain rot niche, Google Earth niche, any type of interactive games. And for more niche ideas, you can check out my free course, which is below this video. I also like iPhone plus text niche, or the fake text niche, which I already made a video about on how to make videos in that niche. I honestly think that the fake text niche is still the easiest one to go viral with, so let's just go ahead and do that one. Of course, you have to make quality videos, but I have something in mind for that. Alright, in the past, making these fake text niche videos was actually quite time consuming. You had to generate the audio from 11 Labs, and you had to put everything together in CapCut, add all of these sound effects, video effects, and take screenshots of conversations and then make them appear on the video. A whole process, which you can still do, of course, for free using CapCut, but I have a better tool in mind, which I'm going to use throughout this challenge. The tool is called VSub, and in my honest opinion, this is the best tool in the market right now for helping you create short form videos. I have tried many tools before, like Creo, Ossa, Shortmake, Clipwise, and many other tools, and honestly they're all pretty decent, pretty good, but VSub, in my opinion, is just way better than all of them, because VSub offers multiple templates for multiple niches, while these other tools for the most part only offer 1 or 2 options for you to make videos. And also VSub is pushing out updates like every week. Inside VSub, with just a couple of clicks, you can make 8 different niche videos because they have templates, pre-made templates for them. So if you're not that tech savvy, especially on editing, and if you don't have any editing knowledge, I think this is the best tool. And it's also not that expensive. Their cheapest package starts from $29 a month. But enough with the talking, let me show you how this tool works in action so you can check it out yourself.
Alright, so we're in VSub and we're going to make a fake text niche video. You can choose from a bunch of their templates. You can see split screen story, AI video, quiz. We're going to use fake text message story. And as you can see, their interface is super easy to use. You just gotta click add left voice, add left text, or add right text. So add left, add another left text. So now we're going to change this to right text, super easy to use. So here you just have to type out your script that you have either generated with AI or copied from another viral video which went viral in the last 48 hours, but maybe changed some things in the video. Alright, so now we have completed the whole script and typed it out inside of VSub. Here for the Riz app text, if you are using Riz app sponsorship, you've probably seen a bunch of Riz app promos in these videos. You can actually sign up for them and start earning extra 50 cents on each 1,000 views you get. Let me know in the comments if I should make a tutorial about how to join Riz app and make money from it as well, from fake text niche videos. Here in the settings, you can change voices for left side and right side. I recommend to use these voices for left and right side, which are the most popular ones. Here you can also change the username. I recommend to make it something spicy or something unusual or something totally funny to grab the attention and hook in the viewer when he's starting to watch your video. And once you've generated the video with the AI voice, now here you can go ahead and change the settings, the advanced settings of the video itself, which is super cool thing I like about VSub, is you can customly edit these videos. Here you can also add sound effects in as well, which I totally recommend to do maybe every 5 to 10 seconds just to keep the user hooked, because in today's day and age, especially on TikTok, these people who are watching the videos need dopamine hits like every second, so you gotta make sure to use that. And here on this page in video settings, you can change and upload your custom background, which I highly recommend to use. I haven't purchased from this VSub gameplay marketplace, but you can test it out, maybe it's high quality. But if you want to get guaranteed high quality gameplay, you can check out our Discord gameplay marketplace, where we have our lovely gamers who are providing gameplay to the server, which is completely original and HD with cool shaders if it's a Minecraft video or any other type of gameplay video. And now, once you come to exporting the video, I recommend you actually use 60 FPS if you have 60 FPS gameplay footage, and please verify that. But here this time we're going to use 30 FPS. Alright, congratulations, the video has rendered, and it was this simple to make a fake text niche video with VSub. And if you also decide to use the Riz app to make extra money aside from the TikTok CRP earnings you're going to make, then this also got you covered, because you can integrate Riz app voice and also Riz app sound effect right here in VSub. Of course, you can also do this for free using CapCut, but if you want to try out VSub, you can click on the link below this video, the first link.
I hacked your phone. I saw the messages from someone named Soul Saver. You are cheating on me.
That's my therapist.
Cut the I know you're lying.
I'm not lying. You are insane.
Now, I want to say it's been about 2 weeks, but honestly, it's been a little bit longer. But I know for a fact, officially, we have posted 19 videos on the account. And usually I would say the results have been okay, but this time, I'm not kidding you guys, the results have been way better than I expected. Sorry guys if I look a little bit messy, it's about 6 a.m. I'm getting ready for a hike. I'm on a vacation, but I had to go ahead and put this update in for you guys. Now, everybody, guess in the comment section below how much do you think we made and what are the stats so far from 19 videos posted on the account. So yeah, let's get right into it. Alright, so we are in the account, guys. Seems like the internet is pretty slow out here. Alright, so let's open up TikTok Studio. Oh, the page loaded. As you can see, we have about 750k views in the last, I guess that's 30 days. And first of all, let me open CRP and show that to you guys. Alright guys, so as you can see in the last 7 days, let me put it to 30 days. And as you can see, 267 pounds, which is a little bit over $300. I'm going to put the conversion up here somewhere, and pretty amazing results just from 19 posts. This is the crazy part that I was surprised with, because some of our posts really blew up. I'm going to show you in the screenshots. Now let me show you the post statistics actually. And as you can see, our RPM is also 60 cents, which is kind of crazy for the fake text niche. Now let's see our analytics. That's over 7 days, and over the last 28 days, about 1 million total views, which is pretty insane. Over the last 28 days, almost 1 million views from just uploading 19 videos. That is absolutely crazy, guys. Alright guys, we are officially in Lithuania, Kaunas. We have completed the challenge and it's crazy. Honestly, I did not expect nothing like this when I started this, and the challenge went way better than any other of my challenges that I've done on this channel ever, and maybe in the near future as well. Alright, by now we have posted about 36 or 38 videos, I think, but the last 6 videos did not get even over 1,000 views, so the page seems to be on retirement. But I'm not complaining at all because we already got blessed. Let me make this quick and just show you the page as I promised in the beginning of the video, so you can just go and check it out for yourself. And also under this video, I'm going to leave a folder with a bunch of screenshots from CRP dashboard, analytics of videos, so you can just browse through them yourself and do your own research and make your own correlations. Maybe see why some videos went viral and how you can implement some strategies into your own videos. So hope that's helpful. But for now, let me reveal the name of the page. Editor, can you please bless me with that drum roll? Thank you. And the name of the page is Roadman Hot. Oh, and I almost forgot. So how much did we actually make from these 30 videos posted? So in total from these 30 videos, 36 now, we have made
1,420 Great British pounds. Converted to dollars, that's about 1,836 US dollars from 30 TikTok videos. That's actually crazy, guys. Now, honestly, guys, I don't have much to say because you can just watch the whole video thoroughly again and see every step that I took. And honestly, I just want to say that I hope this video inspires you to get started. Trust me, this is not my first page that I have created. If I were to look, I have probably done like 20 pages in the past in CRP, which have completely failed, which I've lost money on. This is probably one of the best examples that I've grown on TikTok from just 30 videos. Not in 30 days, just 30 videos. So what I want to say is that these results are not typical. Usually, if you're a beginner, especially watching this, I'm gonna tell this, your first page is probably gonna fail. Your first video is probably not gonna get any views. They're gonna get 0 views, most likely. And it's going to be frustrating. You're gonna be mad at TikTok. You're gonna be annoyed. You're just gonna want to quit. But if you just keep pushing, inevitably you are going to succeed. So I just hope that this video lights that fire right under you and motivates you to get started on content creation. Start building, lock in, just put your head down and do the reps. I did not expect this page to go super viral. I just made the 30 videos, started posting them, and I did not even check the results of the videos that I posted. Because I know many of you guys, especially in my Discord server, you're sending screenshots whenever you have posted a brand new post that is like 1 hour old and you're like, why is this not getting views? The best advice I can give you is post the posts, and whenever you post them, just close TikTok and go work on your next post. Don't look at the results, don't stress about it, don't emotionally attach yourself to the results of your post. Simply post and close the TikTok app. So just go ahead and do it. I'm not gonna go more in detail about the results, but if you want to see a full detailed breakdown and case study of this page, I recommend you join my Discord, AI Profit, where I'm gonna be doing a full breakdown of this page, and you're gonna be able to see the video with a lot of more detail and insights completely for free. So make sure to join my Discord, AI Profit. Link is gonna be in the description. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace out.